State-sanctioned homophobia is our founding father who fought for liberty, equality and justice. Go onto a mic and tell Namibians to deport, imprison, harass gay men just because of who they love. State-sanctioned homophobia is tearing families apart, making children, Namibian children, stateless for 2 years just because of who their parents love.
Human rights activist Nangolo believes that it is time to decriminalize homosexuality.
That there is no problem with the decriminalization or legalization of homosexuality, particularly because homosexual acts must be conducted in privacy, just like all other sexual acts. So it is really irrelevant to keep it criminal. It has no effect whatsoever to prevent something that actually does not exist. Our statement also says that we do not believe that same-sex marriages, or I can put it this way, we do not believe that our society, which is about 95% Christian, is ready to accept yet same-sex marriages, because these are conducted in public, unlike the sexual contacts that I was talking, homosexual contacts that I was talking about earlier. Same-sex marriages are solemnized in public, and this can lead to public outrage.
Mercedes, who was also protesting for equal marriage rights, said that everyone has the right to get married to whomever they love.
For anybody that has ever found or experienced or felt love, that thing where you want to, I want to spend some time with somebody and make that the thing. The traditional thing that we know as Namibians know, which is marriage and family. So the one thing that we have been advocating for, because we're done fighting, is to be able to be afforded the opportunity to have a marriage or a wedding, and to be able to set up a family unit. And I think today is especially important in that the recognition of family units and family setups that do not conform to the traditional way of how things are experienced in Namibia is not something that we can other. It is something that we have to embrace, because it's about really allowing people to also celebrate their love and celebrate their families as they are also seeing fit, and opening up Namibia to the diversity that it's always been.
The case for same-sex marriages is currently before the High Court in Windhoek.